Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the OPPO F9 Pro that is newly launched in India, and these are the two color options that we have right now with us, and one of them is called the Twilight Blue while the other one is called the Sunrise Red. And with the design itself you can see that these phones look gorgeous on the back. Though the material that is used to make these phones is the same that was seen on the F7 as well as on the Realme 1. So this is the box packaging. Let's do a quick unboxing and let you know what all comes in the box package before we actually do the hands-on and see what the device comes with. So on the back of the phone package that you see here is the VOOC charging, that is a fast charging for the 3500 mAh battery. There's a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus, that is the 19.5:9 aspect ratio display, and the variant that we are unboxing here is a Sunrise Red. And this is the box package. Firstly you see these two booklets, that is firstly the quick start guide, the information guide, as well as the warranty booklet that is given along with the device. Next is this rubber case that is given to protect the back of the phone, which is prone to scratching. Then there's this SIM ejector pin. Then this is the smartphone, that is the red color that is given here, and it has that very beautiful gradient that shows up whenever you have any light reflected towards it, and any light objected would give this kind of good attractive feel. And it is a plain red from one angle, but then it gives those boxes and those gradients whenever there's any light on it. And this is the fast charger that is given, that's the VOOC fast charger coming with the 20-watt capacity. And then this is the micro USB cable that has the VOOC branding, and it also supports the fast charging here. And finally this is the set of earphones which are a bit similar to the AirPods, and we aren't sure of the quality yet, but we are said that it should be giving that direct support for the audio. And coming back to the phone, on the front if you see on the top there is that water drop effect, which is similar to how a water drop that is about to fall, and that is the only notch present on the top, which makes this phone look very beautiful. Though as usual, as I say, the notch is not something that would matter me. Still, giving this kind of notch that is almost minimal and not even showing up anything else except for the camera is good. Towards the bottom is this micro USB port, the speaker grill, the 3.5 headset jack, also the microphone. Towards the right is the power button, and towards the top is the secondary microphone, and on the left is the slot for the SIM card as well as the volume rocker buttons. So for the SIM card tray, a good thing that the OPPO F9 Pro comes with is the dedicated micro SD card slot. And this is the color OS that is running here, that is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. And we might actually expect the Android Pie, that's the Android 9 update on this very soon. If you go into the settings, you can see that this phone supports fingerprint, face unlock, as well as the regular passcode. So the fingerprint sensor on this phone is present on the back of the device, and it works quite well. And the face unlock as well works very well, which we had tried on the F7 as well as on the Realme 1, and it worked even in low light conditions, and that was something very good on those phones. And that would be no different here as well, because the phone runs that 25 megapixel front facing camera. In the about section you can see that this runs the color OS based on Android 8.1.0 Oreo. And this is the camera application on the phone, which gives you these different things, the different modes as well towards the bottom, and you can directly switch for the zoom, and these are the photo and the portrait mode. Portrait mode takes advantage of the dual camera that is given here, that 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel cameras, where the primary 16 megapixel camera comes with the f1.8 aperture to take in more light for the low light captures, while the secondary one comes with the f2.4 aperture. And on the front, the 25 megapixel camera, that is the HDR sensor given here, comes with the f2.0 aperture. And one thing that most of the people might miss out here is with the 4K video recording. There's no 4K video support, which was the same case on the previous OPPO phones as well, and that is thanks to the chipset here. That's the MediaTek Helio P60 chipset that is powering this device, and it does not support the 4K video recording. And there are the options for the sticker, the panorama, and there is AI support for both the back and front cameras. On the front cameras you can see the AI selfies, where you can actually let the phone decide how much the beautification has to be, and you can see these few camera samples that are a few quick samples that we took. There's nothing that we had worked on here. So this was the quick hands-on with the OPPO F9 Pro, and in the upcoming videos we'll be doing a few comparisons with the Vivo V9 as well as a few smartphones in this price range to let you know whether the OPPO F9 Pro actually does a good job for the price. This was Chetan for Gizmo Times. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.